Hey guys, after such a long gap, I am respreading my knowledge about top 10 longest rivers in India. Hope you like it. Rivers play an important role in the development of the country. India is a land of rivers and the Indian river system is classified into two parts, Himalayan rivers and peninsular rivers. Most of the Indian rivers flow eastwards and drain into Bay of Bengal. But there are only 3 rivers in India that run from east to west, Narmada, Mahi and Tapi river. While Nile is the longest river in world, do you know which is the longest river in India? Let's find out the top 10 longest rivers in India. Number 10. Tapi River. Length 724 kilometers. Origin Satpura Range. Tributaries Purna, Girna, Golmai, Panjara, Pedi, Arna, Anurati, Suki, Bagur, Bure, Sipna. Discharge its water in Gulf of Khambat in Arabian Sea. Number 9. Kaveri River. Length 800 kilometers. Originates at Talakaveri in Kur district of Karnataka in Brahmagiri range of hills in Western Ghats. Tributaries Harangini, Hemavati, Shimsha, Akravati, Lakshmana Tirtha, Kabini, Bhavani River, Noyal, Amravati, Moyar. Discharge its water in Grand Anicut, south. Number 8. Mahanadi River. Length 851 kilometers. It originates from Raipur district of Chhattisgarh. Tributaries Sionath, Mand, Hasdio, Onchpadi River, John, Telan. Discharge its water in Bay of Bengal. Number 7. Narmada River. Length 1312 kilometers. It originates near Amarkantak in Madhya Pradesh. Tributaries Burnar River, Banjar, Sher, Shakkar, Dudi, Tawa, Ganjal, Chota Tawa, Kaveri, Kundi, Goi, Karjan. Hiran, Tindoni, Choral, Kolal, Man, Uri, Hatni, Orsang. It discharges its water in Arabian Sea. Number 6. Yamuna River. Length 1376 kilometers. It originates from Yamunotri Glacier at Bandarpooch Peak in Uttarankshi district of Uttarakhand. Tributaries Hindan Sharda, Hanuman Ganga, Shashur Kanderi, Chambal, Betwa, Giri, Rishi Ganga, Kane, Sindh and Tones. Number 5. Krishna River. Length 1400 kilometers. It originates in the Western Ghat at an elevation of about 1337 meters, just north of Mahabaleshwar, about 64 kilometers from the Arabian Sea. Tributaries Bhima, Dindi, Pedaguvu, Musu, Paleru, Munneru, Vena, Koina, Panchaganga, Dudganga, Ghattaprabha, Malaprabha, Tungabhadra. Number 4. Godavari River. Length 1465 kilometers. It originates near Nashik in Maharashtra. Tributaries Benganga, Kadwa, Shivani, Purna, Kadam, Prahanita, Indravati, Talleperu, Saberi, Nasardi, Darna, Pravara, Shindapana, Manjira, Manar, Kinnaseni. Discharge its water in Bay of Bengal. Number 3. Ganga River. Length 252 kilometers. Origin Gangotri. Tributaries Ramganga, Garra, Gomti, Ghagra, Gandak, Buri, Gandakkoshi, Mahanada, Yamuna, Tamsa, San, Kupun, Kul, Karamnasa, Chandan. Discharge its water in Bay of Bengal. Second on the list is Brahmaputra. Length 2900 kilometers. It originates from Kailash range of Himalaya. Tributaries Dibang River, Lohit River, Dhanishri, Kolang, Kameng, Manas, Beki, Raidak, Jaldaka, Teesta, Subrishi. Discharge its water in Bay of Bengal. Number 1. Indus River. Length 2900 kilometers. It originates in the northern slope of Kailash range in Tibet near Lake Mansarovar. Tributaries Zanskar River, Suru, Son, Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Bees, Sutlej, Panjnad, Ghakkar, Hagra, Luni, Shlok, Hunza, Gilgit, Swat, Kunnar River, Kabul, Kurram, Gomal and Sob, and discharge its water in Arabian Sea. Hence, we can say that river is not only important for human beings but also serves a great purpose to the surrounding environment and ecology. Thanks for watching our video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.